Ladies and gentlemen, investing in the stock market is a journey of financial empowerment and growth. In this dynamic world, your money has the potential to work for you. Picture this: your hard-earned savings becoming a catalyst for wealth creation. The stock market is not just for the financial elite, it's for those with vision and determination. Every successful investor started somewhere, and now it's your turn. Embrace the power of compounding, where your money earns returns on its returns. Take calculated risks, diversify your portfolio, and be patient. The market has its ups and downs, but history has shown that over time, it trends upward. Now, to embark on this exciting journey, you need a Demat account, your gateway to the stock market. Click on the link below to open your Demat account online. Seize the opportunity to participate in the wealth creation game. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself, and investing in the stock market is a powerful way to shape your financial future. Open Demat account now, link, and let your money begin its journey towards financial freedom.